but we know that if T, B and C are the three sets, then now we can write the formula as n of T union C union B, that is number of students who played either tennis or cricket or both. So it can be given by means of n of T plus n of C plus n of B minus n of T intersection C minus n of C intersection B minus n of T intersection B plus n of T intersection C intersection B. So here, based upon this principle or the formula, so here we can find out the unknown which is to be found. But here, as per the problem, so here n of T union C union B can be given by means of n of T as per the problem. So n of T n of T is of 120, n of C is of 110 and n of B is of 130. Then now we can substitute these values here. N of T is of 120 plus n of C is of 110 plus n of B is of 130 minus n of T intersection C. So here n of T intersection C is given by means of 70 minus n of C intersection B. It can also be written as B intersection C, either C intersection B or B intersection B, because it is of commutative over the intersection. So here n of C intersection B value is of, so n of C intersection B is of 55 minus n of T intersection B. So n of T intersection B is of 60. Then now we can replace, so here n of T intersection B by means of 60, then now plus, say here n of T intersection C intersection B is unknown, so here we can write it as the same. So here T intersection C intersection B, that is number of members who played all the three, that is tennis and cricket and as well as the badminton, who played all the three games, which is unknown, whereas here this is also unknown. The number of members who played either tennis or cricket or badminton is also unknown. There are of two unknown quantities in this case or in this equation. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies n of T union C union B, which is on the left hand side, is equals to, so here these three quantities are of positives and these three quantities are of negatives. We can add up separately. So 120 is of positive, 110 is also of positive, 130 is also of positive. When we add up all these three quantities, that is 120 plus 110 plus 130. So here their sum is of 0, 3 plus 1 is of 4, 4 plus 2 is of 6, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is of 360. So here 360 with positive sign, because all are of positive, so we can assess the sign as positive. Then now here 70 is of negative, 55 is of negative and 60 is also of negative. So here all are of negative, these three terms are of negative, we can add up all these three terms. So here 70, 55 and 60. So here by adding up, so we are getting, say here 5, 6 plus 5 as 11, 11 plus 7 as 18. So here 185, but here all are of negative, so we can assess the sign as negative, or in other words, out of these three terms 70 is greater, the sign is of negative. Then now here the last term must be copied as it is, that is n of T intersection C intersection B. Then now here the next logical step will be of, so that implies n of T union C union B is equals to, so we can simplify these two further, plus of minus is minus, let us subtract from 360, we have to subtract 185. So from 360 when we subtract 185, then now here from here we can borrow 1, 10 minus 5 is of 5, here left only 5, when we borrow again 1, 15 minus 8 is of 7, here 2 is left over, 2 minus 1 is of 1. So therefore we will be getting 175, but to assess the sign here, 360 is greater than 185, 360 is of positive, therefore 175 assess the sign of positive, plus n of T intersection C intersection B. So in this manner I got, so here therefore n of T union C union B is equals to 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B. So let us keep this equation aside as the equation number 1, then later. So this is of equation number 1, but our aim is to find out the number of members who played all the 3 games. So here we have to find out this quantity, that is n of T intersection C intersection B. Number of members who played tennis, cricket, and as well as tennis and intersection indicates and cricket and badminton. So here this is to be found. Then now in the next logical step, so I am going to draw the Venn diagram. So in this Venn diagram, so there are of 3 games. One is of tennis, the other is of cricket, the third one is of badminton. So here this is of tennis, this is of cricket, and this is of badminton. Then now here, so this is the region where the number of members who played. So this is common for all the 3, so tennis, cricket, and as well as the badminton. So here number of members who played badminton are of 130, the number of members who played cricket are of 110, and number of members who played the tennis are of 120. But the universal set on the whole, they are of 290 members. But out of 290 members, those who sit, say here this indicates, these linings indicates the n of T union C union B. So here, then now this region, this is the first region. So here first region indicates, region 1 indicates, so here region 1, so here indicates n of tennis union cricket union badminton. So here those who sit in this region, so in these 3 regions, so it will give us the number of members who play. So here tennis or cricket or badminton. So here this is the second region. Say here there are of 75 members who do not play, they sit outside these 3 circles. So here these 3 second region indicates there are of 75 members who does not participate in any one of these 3 games. So here region 2 indicates, so region 2 indicates, so here number of members who do not play any of the 3 games. So here there are of 75 in number. So here when we add up to get the total, that is universal set, so we have to add up the n of, that is the region number 1 plus region number 2 will gives us the universal set, that is n of mu. So here n of mu is equals to region 1 plus the second region, that is region number 2. So here we know n of mu, so here it is of 290, so that is equals to region number 1. So region number 1 is of n of T union C union B, but here we got from the equation number 1, we got say n of T union C union B is equals to 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B. Instead of this LHS, we can copy down this 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B. Then now region number 1 is of n of T union C union B plus region number 2. So, region number 2 implies 75. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies 290 is equals to n of T union C union B equals to 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B. Then now plus 75 must be copied. So, here we got this logical step. So, here from equation number 1. So, here we got n of T union C union B as 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B from equation number 1, which we got in the previous logical step. Then now here the next logical step will be of 290 equals to is equals to 175 plus n of T intersection C intersection B plus 75. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies 290. Then now here 175 is of positive and 75 is also positive. So, I am going to transpose this plus 175 and as well as plus 75 over to the left hand side. Then now the next logical step will be of, so here plus 175 when it is transposed over to the left hand side, it becomes minus 175. Then now plus 75 when it is transposed to the left hand side, becomes minus 75. Then that is equals to, on the right hand side only n of T intersection C intersection B is left over. Then in the next logical step, so that implies 290 is of positive, I want to write 290 as it is. Then now here 175 and 75 are of negative signs, let us add up. So, minus of minus is plus, so we can add up 175 and 75. So, here when we add up 5 plus 5 is of 10, so 7 plus 7 is of 14, 1 15. So, carry 1 plus 1 is of 2. So, in this manner I got 250 to assess the sign here. So, here 175 is greater than 75, 175 is of negative sign, therefore 250 assess the sign of negative. Then that is equals to right hand side must be copied as it is, n of T intersection C intersection B. Then now here further simplification in the next logical step, that implies plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, that is 290 minus 250. Then now here 0 minus 0 is of 0, 9 minus 5 is of 4, 2 minus 2 is of 0. Then now it is of only 40. So, here 40 is equals to n of T intersection C intersection B. To assess the sign of 40, 290 is greater than 250, 290 is of positive, therefore 40 assess the sign of positive. So, in this manner I got, therefore, so here n of T intersection C intersection B is equals to 40. So, this indicates that number of members who played tennis and cricket and badminton. So, here from this it is clear that, so here number of members who played tennis and cricket and badminton, that is what I say here, 3 games, who played all the 3 games is equals to, they are on 40 number.